Hello, I am Ladli. Hope you are well.
Hello, I am Mr. Kumar. I and my lovely daughter are going to talk about our today's activity. Hello, my dear. How was your day today?
Papa, my day was wonderful. We had so much fun at school today.
That's great to hear, beta. What did you learn today?
We learned about history, Papa, about our country and its heroes.
Ah, that's great. Knowing about our history is important. Did you have any favorite part?
Yes, Papa, I liked hearing about Mahatma Gandhi and how he fought for peace.
Gandhiji was indeed a great leader. What else did you do?
We had a science experiment, Papa. We made a volcano erupt with baking soda and vinegar.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. Did you make a mess?
Yes, Papa, a little bit, but it was worth it.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, beta. What else happened today?
We had art class and I made a beautiful painting of a flower garden. Do you want to see it?
I have already seen your painting, beta. Your mother showed this to me when you were not home. It was amazing. It was as beautiful as a real flower garden. You are very talented.
Thank you, Papa. I worked really hard on it.
I can see that, beta. Keep up the good work.
Papa, guess what else? We played games during recess today and I won the race.
That's fantastic, beta. I am so proud of you. It sounds like you had a wonderful day at school.
Yes, Papa. I love playing with my friends. It's so much fun.
Do you have any homework today?
Yes, Papa. We have a project to make a poster about plants. Can you help me?
Of course, beta. I would love to help you with your project. We can work on it together after dinner.
Thank you, Papa. You're the best.
Anything for my little princess. Now tell me, how was your lunch today?
Oh, Papa, it was delicious. Mama made my favorite dish, paneer butter masala.
Mummy's cooking is always the best. I'm glad you enjoyed your lunch.
Papa, how was your day at work?
It was a busy day at the office, beta. I had meetings and paperwork to do.
What kind of meetings, Papa?
As a government employee, I have meetings to discuss important matters like development projects and public welfare schemes.
Wow, Papa, that sounds important. What about the paperwork?
I have to fill out forms and reports to keep track of the work we are doing. It's important to be organized and thorough.
I see, Papa. You work hard to help people just like my teacher helps us learn at school. You know that my teacher Sweta ma'am had guided me a lot in winning the first prize in the science exhibition of our school.
That's right, beta. We all have our roles to play in making our country a better place. I'm glad you understand.
Papa, do you ever get tired from all the work you do?
Sometimes, beta, but knowing that I am making a difference keeps me going. And I always feel happy coming home to you, mom, and your little naughty brother.
We are happy to have you home, Papa. We missed you today.
And I missed you all too, beta. Now let's go have dinner together and talk some more.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो झट से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.
और बताइए, कैसी लगी हमारी अंग्रेजी में बातचीत हमारे आज के दिन के बारे में? प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए. और अगर किसी और टॉपिक पर आप हमारी इंग्लिश में बातचीत वाला वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो वो भी कमेंट करके बताइए. हम उस पर जरूर वीडियो बनाएंगे. थैंक्स अगेन फॉर वॉचिंग.
बाय बाय. हमारे साथ बने रहिए अगले वीडियो के लिए.
Goodbye. Take care. Have a great time ahead.